One characteristic of our managed services business is that we have a really long-term relationship with our customer and therefore have a close intimacy with the customer. And what we found out in the past was that the customer are actively asking us from a managed services perspective, how can we help us? How can you as a managed services provider help us to infuse innovation into our ongoing business, how to optimize our business and to come up with completely new business models. And this is why we established this innovation management in the Global Managed Services Department as a linking point between innovation technologies, the local R&D centers and the Global Managed Services Department, so to actually be able to infuse and take off all of the innovation from the Intec colleagues and put them into managed services environment and not only infuse innovation but also help these innovations to provide a better service and to streamline our services at the end. Some examples for providing innovation in a managed services business is just like this conference or this presentation today. So providing innovation days for customers, for existing managed services customers, and outline and showcase what we as a Telligence overall company are capable of. Or another example would be the topic from Thomas Nürnberg, this robotic process automation. So to help with small bits and pieces, put them in into the managed services environment, put them in the business for the customer and see how these small bits and pieces actually help the customer to optimize the business, close gaps they had before, and so on and so forth. So these are just some examples which have been proven in the past, and what we are currently working on is to provide managed services for IoT platforms, for edges, and so on and so forth. So to actually come up with complete new services for we can provide as a managed service provider in the future. I'm going to present today about the topic Optimize IT. Optimize IT is one of the digital focus areas we have within the Entity Data Group. And one of the topics today is obviously this cloudification. Cloud, hybrid cloud, multi-cloud is everywhere nowadays, but it obviously has also some challenges attached to it. And from a managed services perspective, we are trying to solve these challenges and trying to provide a better experience and provide an easier experience for the users for this cloudification. Another topic I talked about in the presentation was about knowledge and this continuous learning. And this was also mentioned in the keynote session today. And what we see and what we also heard from the recent S4HANA Delta training was that 60% of the tickets opened at SAP side are actually how-to questions. And this shows just a huge potential there for guiding the user to adopt the solution right, to use the solution right, and obviously from a managed services perspective, this is a huge challenge we are facing, and we want to tackle this challenge with the right knowledge in place, with the right tools in place, to actually go further than just continuous learning, to provide self-services for the users, to automate solutions, and so on and so forth.